Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying compatibility and protecting data. That prevents common failures. First, run the PC health check and confirm TPM2. Zero and Secure Boot are enabled. Once done, free up at least 20-30 GB and back up important folders to an external disk or cloud. Next, open Settings Update and Security, choose Check for Updates, and start the Windows 11 offer or download the installation assistant. This sequence gets the process moving while minimizing risk. You now execute the upgrade and manage the middle steps that determine success. If using the installation assistant, follow prompts and choose Keep Personal Files to preserve settings. For a clean install, use the Media Creation tool and bootable USB. Make sure device drivers are updated and disable non-critical peripherals. Once the installer runs, leave the PC plugged in, expect multiple restarts, and watch for error codes. If prompted, accept licenses and select regional options. The installer applies. You finish by verifying system health and fixing issues if they arise. Once signed in, open Settings to confirm activation, install driver updates, and run Windows Update until no updates remain. Make adjustments to privacy and startup apps to improve performance. If something goes wrong, use Settings Recovery to roll back within the allowed window or choose Advanced options to access safe mode. Key troubleshooting tip: ensure TPM and Secure Boot are enabled in UEFI. Update the BIOS if the installer still blocks the upgrade, and then retry or clean install.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.